Hi treasures, welcome to a life of a hairstylist. This is family edition, all day my family, my very first client in my salon suite. Alright, so let's get this started and watch me do what I gotta do, and yes. So my mom usually gets a darker base, like a dark chocolate base and some golden highlights. I'm just going to retouch her base, her dark base, and I'm going to pull through some dark, so I'm going to weave in some dark low lights just to kind of break up the light pieces that she has. Check it out.
You have very gentle hands.
Oh, thank you. Very gentle, make you go to sleep.
Ready? Ready to go sleep?
Ready to go to sleep, yes. Coffee.
Estressado.
This is just to break up all the lightness, to put some more dark back into her hair.
So the coffee and the snacks and the little muffin is included in the price?
Yes. And I'll just repeat all this on the other quadrants. I'm just taking the piece and I'm just kind of breaking it up a little bit. Just kind of weaving in some chunks. And that's just gonna break it up so it doesn't look super light on the bottom and like dark at the roots. It kind of makes it a better contrast. We get some dimension in there. And I'm just using the same color that I used on her roots in the foils. Make sure it's evenly saturated. And your foils don't need to be perfect. I'm just saying, it doesn't need to be perfect, especially if you're just doing the same color. It's just refreshing the ends. So just like that. I'll broke it up a little bit. Last foil in her hair. I love to fold it over. And then I bring it up, so I elevate the hair, I push it in, and I bring it down. That's gonna get the most closest to the root. Okay, she's all set, and now she gets to have her alone time. And now she gets to wait patiently while she deposits, while she downloads, like my ex used to say. Here's your coffee, Mom.
Oh, thank you.
Enjoy your time
Wake up.
processing. Coffee!
I enjoy it.
And then is my second client of the day, my twin, Jewel. Shout out to her. She's the one that does all my video editing. And she got it.
Sure.
So for her, she loves blonde, and I love blonde on her. It's grown out, but we're doing more of that balayage look. So like a balayage foliage. And then she likes her big old money piece right here. That's right, I know. I just found out what a money piece is. Back then, we just say a big old chunk in the front. So, whatever, you do soft money piece or harsh money piece. But we like the harsh money piece, okay? We want it bold and in your face. So, peace as in peace.
I know.
Like masterpiece, not peace as in peace.
I know.
Okay. Because, I'm, masterpiece in you.
Masterpiece.
Yeah.
Peace.
So, check this out. I'll go ahead and mix it up. I love dirty hair. It's so easy for the product to grasp onto the hair, so keep in mind when you come see me, keep your hair dirty. So as you can see, I went ahead and I did for the back and the side. What I did was I teased it and I only applied it to the mid shaft. Here, like we said, she likes her money piece. So what I do typically in the front is I try to make it more brighter. So I'm gonna go in right here, just a small little piece. And I will do two fine highlights or two baby lights here in the front. So I'm weaving it in. Pulling my foil down, bringing the hair up, placing it down and bringing it down. You can see that it's right there at the root. Bringing my tin brush and not surpassing over the foil. I'm not applying it over the foil, I'm applying it right where the foil starts. And then I kind of just feather in like a little pieces that I see that are dark, not too much. Making sure that root is touched up. Flipping the hair over. Bringing it up. Do another little slice right above that one. Okay, going back in with a fine weave. You can see how thin this section is. Camaretta going over, bringing it down. I've got my two diagonal sections. It's going to go in with the money piece. You can see it's very bright around the head. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to start going horizontal. Okay, I grab it, I tightly grab it, and then I'm going to back comb the root area. Make sure there's a good cushion right there. Take my foil, wrap it, bring it down. I'm going to place it right underneath that back combing section where I teased it. Then I'm going to grab it, apply it right at that mid shaft where like that little dark piece is, avoiding the ends. And then I'm going to feather it. And then I could also bring it up just a little bit. It's just to make it a soft blend. Bringing it up. So the reason why I tease it is so that the hair looks like it's fading into the light and you don't see like a hard line of demarcation. So for like a big section, I just kind of cut it in two. Get better control of the section. All right, and now she's ready to download. Would you like a coffee or a water? Oh, I got you good, didn't I? Yeah. Okay.
Coffee.
Okay. Coming your way. Ooh, massage. Everybody loves that. Huh, mommy?
Good job.
Thank you, mommy.
A 5 of 10. From 1 to 5, you have 5.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Can someone clapping?
Yay!
Thank you. Okay.
Brass off for the Latinas who want to be blonde. So I got the toner going on. She loves to be like a platinum ash blonde, so We're gonna leave that in for about 5 to 10 minutes. But she's a hairy beast, so we're gonna take care of her eyebrows and the upper lip. And then for fun, you know, because we're on camera, I'm gonna do her nose. Check it out.
Ah!
Yeah, and it's blackheads. You're just removing blackheads when you wax the nails, okay? So don't get scared.
Go away.
Alright, and here she is.
Wow.
Oh, blonde. What do you think, guys? And that was the day of the life of a hairstylist. 2 clients, but it took a long time. If you want to see more videos of life of a hairstylist, let me know. Put a comment down below. I love you guys. You guys stay safe. God bless you. Remember, Jesus loves you. I love you. Bye.